Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about 5 surprising ways tomatoes can boost your health and immunity. Tomatoes are a delicious and versatile fruit that are packed with nutrients. So if you're looking for a way to improve your health, adding more tomatoes to your diet is a great place to start. Tomatoes can help protect against cancer. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to help protect against cancer. In fact, studies have shown that people who eat a lot of tomatoes have a lower risk of developing certain types of cancer, such as prostate cancer and lung cancer. Tomatoes can help improve heart health. Tomatoes are also a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart disease. So eating tomatoes can help reduce your risk of developing heart disease. Tomatoes can help improve vision. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from damage. Vitamin C is also essential for the production of collagen, which is a protein that helps keep the eyes healthy. Tomatoes can help boost the immune system. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamin A, an antioxidant that helps boost the immune system. Vitamin A is essential for fighting off infection, so eating tomatoes can help keep you healthy during the cold and flu season. Tomatoes can help improve skin health. Tomatoes are a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to help protect the skin from damage. Lycopene can help reduce the risk of developing skin cancer, and it can also help improve the appearance of wrinkles and age spots. So, those are just a few of the surprising ways tomatoes can boost your health and immunity. If you're looking for a way to improve your health, adding more tomatoes to your diet is a great place to start. Thanks for watching.